Alright, so today we're gonna be working on the Integra. We're gonna be installing this new shifter. Shout out my homie Alex for hooking me up with this. Ooh, nice. But let's get it. So, fuck. I had to break these things loose. They're a pain in the fucking ass, but I just broke them loose right now. But let's try to get that. Alright, focus. There we go. Try to get that shifter out so I can install the other one right now. So, I'm gonna continue doing this. Got the shifter. Not the full linkage, but I'm gonna replace this shit right now. And you ain't a real mechanic if you don't have black hands, you feel? Oh, phone in. I just took off the other one. It's pain in the ass with that shit too because it had these fucking screws right here. It's fucking ridiculous. Look at that. Like, look where it's all fucked up and shit. So it was not grabbing when I was trying to take off the little bolt. Time to install this one real quick. And yeah, I installed the shifter and I like it. The only thing I need to get a nut for this because I want it to be straight, but look where it ends up. The only thing I need to fix now is this. It's all loose as fuck, but that's the fucking that pin, which is so-called a bitch pin. But yeah, I need to go get one of those. You're gonna witness me fucking lose right now to fucking Alex. Drink? Yeah, but wait, hold on. Yeah. Dude, I fucking was grabbing fucking gravel right now. Yeah. Oh. I was like, fuck, dude. But I know not right here because it's fucking flood. But fuck, no way. Alright, you go. Shit, my fucking ignition went out, and thank God my homeboy Alex over here fucking helped me.
Yeah, we out here in the trenches, you know.
But fucking perra. No. but
We know what the problem is. Most
Yeah.
likely 90%.
at least it wasn't my fuel pump. That's what we figured out right now.
Yeah, it sounds like it still works. It's just the ignition kicking off your fucking key.
Yeah.
Shit happens. Like, I was telling you, good thing it happened here instead of fucking Fresno and shit.
Fuck yeah. Which it did happen to me in fucking Fresno, but I ended up in fucking shit town, but
Swamp rats.
literally, dude.